Hi, I will show you how to fix some games that require fix for normal update on the server side. First of all, install the launcher and games on the game disk. Then, go to the Boot tab and open Settings. Now click the Game Fixes button. Choose the launcher or game that is already installed. And select the installation path and click the OK button. Once fix is applied on the game disk, it will be created as Game Fixes. On this folder, files are placed that are required for normal operation of launchers and games. Thank you for watching, see you in the next video.